This is our flip flap book this week. So I want you to take the first packet out and then put your paper clip back on the pack so you do not lose this pack, okay? Flip flap book. Let's figure out how we do this. Okay. So I want you to remove the top page, okay? And then I want you to remove, oh, upsy daisy. I want you to remove the yellow page. I want you to fold the yellow page in half. Okay, so now you have your book, and here's what we're going to do next. Okay, we're going to cut on the dotted line of the red page that you have stapled behind your yellow that you have already separated. I cut on the line and I keep my fingers away from the blade so I don't cut myself. Then I'm going to cut on the dotted lines again because I'm trying to get all of my math sentences separated because I'm going to be solving some math equations and then deciding, is this answer greater than 10 or less than 10? Well, I don't know yet. I have to solve the math equations first, okay? So I've got all my math equations now. And guess what? Before I can do anything in my flip book, I have to solve my equations. Okay, so the very first equation says 10 plus 7. So using the video today, when we learned how to count on, I'm going to start at 10. When we count on, we count from that number. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I did 10 plus 7. This is 7. 10 plus 7 equals 17. So this is my 17. And then I'm going to decide, so now take your scissors back out, cut the middle on the dotted line so you have a flip book. Okay, this will be numbers that are greater than 10, numbers that are less than 10. So 10 plus 17, is that greater than 10, more than 10, or less? It's greater than 10, so where am I going to glue it? I'm going to glue it under the greater than 10. I'm going to take my glue, and I'm going to glue it under greater than 10. Okay, 10 plus 7 is 17. That's greater than 10. Now I'm going to take my next number. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. It's going to be 9 plus 0. Okay, 9 plus 0. 9 plus nothing equals what? It equals 9. I'm going to write the number 9. And then I'm going to decide, is it greater than 10 or less than 10? It's less than 10. So I'm going to take my glue stick, and then I'm going to put glue on the back of my piece, my number sentence, and I'm going to glue it underneath less than 10. And I'm going to do this process every time for each number sentence. First, I solve the number sentence. Then I decide if it is greater than 10 or less than 10. The answer. Is the answer greater than 10 or less than 10? And then, lastly, I glue it on greater than 10 or the less than 10 side. So you have 3 steps to do. Solve the number sentence. Is the answer greater than 10 or less than 10? And then glue your number sentence underneath the correct flap. Have fun!